Hi, Alison. Nice to meet you.
Lovely to be here.
Thank you for being a interviewee for our People and Legal podcast. So tell me, you've just come off speaking and you were talking to me about the Future of Law report. Tell me, where are you from and what's the relevance of the report?
So I am the director of the Centre for Legal Innovation, which is an independent think tank that's attached to the College of Law here in Australia. And I do that 2 days a week as a fractional director role. And the other 3 days a week, I'm actually working with 𝗟𝗲𝗚 as a director, working in consulting with in-house teams and legal law firms, actually helping them to deliver law differently. And so the idea is that dual hat helps to inform each other. And so here representing the Centre for Legal Innovation, and the talk was really about looking at what the competition is between in-house law teams, legal teams, and how they're bringing more work in-house. And if that means they're bringing more in-house, what does it mean for law firms of the future? Are they still relevant? And then providing some playbooks for both sides.
Yeah, right. And what do the playbooks look like? What's the end goal?
So the idea is really about how do we prepare, connect and develop, which is a CLI's mission, the legal profession for the future. And so it's looking at what does it look like? How does it work? What are the skills and capabilities that people are going to need as lawyers of the future? And that's part of the reason why we're launching an independent benchmark survey, which is the Future of Law report. So invite everyone, all your listeners, to scan a QR code and we can get all of people's evidence and insights in that. It is not sponsored. There's no vendors. There's no payments. There's no paywall. All of the results are going to be publicly available because we're here to help the community and inform. So to do that, though, we need people to give us their thoughts of what's happening in the future.
Yeah, absolutely. And how long is it open for?
It's going to be open for about 6 weeks. So this is the soft launch really today at the conference. So everyone here gets a bit of a sneak peek and we'll be pushing out a campaign more broadly. So there's plenty of time and it's going to be really valuable because we'll also be linking that in with survey results from students as well.
Yep.
So we'll have both sides of what do students need and what are their thoughts about the future of the profession as well. So it's going to be super exciting.
And how does the report come out? Is it like a hard copy, soft copy?
It'll be a soft copy. It'll come out. We'll then also be holding some roundtables as well. So we'll be asking people, and feel free to drop us a line if you want to be involved in it, but by different sectors. So we'll have a roundtable with students, academics, regulatory, global law firms, sole practitioners, everything in between, in-house teams, the whole ecosystem, vendors as well, and then validate the survey results. And then all of those things are going to help lead into, we're going to be putting on our own CLI summit, the future of law, building something that's future fit and building it now and having those discussions then later.
And if you had like one or two top predictions of what you think's going to come out of the report, what would they be if you had to guess?
I think in terms of the skills and capabilities that people are thinking about and the concerns that they have is really about the gap. The profession and legal employers, as I call them, are really expecting people to, be starting in the profession here. They want tech-enabled lawyers to hit the ground running here. And the education institutions are kind of spitting them out maybe here.
Yeah, right.
And then who's responsible for educating the gap? And I don't think it's a law firm problem or a GC problem. It's not a vendor problem. I don't even think it's an educator problem either, because a lot of that curriculum is moderated and decided by external forces to them. It's a profession-wide problem. So that's why we wanted to do this, to get the profession to help solve it.
Yeah, love it. Well, a great piece of thought leadership, right? In terms of being able to sort of, I guess, base your decisions on informed sentiment.
Yeah, and then hopefully help law firms and in-house teams and lawyers of the future prepare.
Yeah, beautiful. And when did you say the summit was going to be?
We're working on dates and times and venues at the moment. Q3
of this year?
Yeah, this year.
Okay, beautiful. Is there anything that you want the viewers to know? Is there a website, did you say, to fill in the survey?
Yep. So watch all of the CLI social medias. It'll be out soon.
Okay.
There'll be QR codes. There'll be a big email campaign, but it'll also be on the Centre for Legal Innovation website. So it's CLI at 𝗟𝗏law.edu.au.
Amazing. Well done pioneering something so unique in what's going to come out. Sounds like an exciting...
Yeah, we're super excited to get the results and to share them.
I bet. Well done you. Thank you for sharing your thoughts today.
Awesome. Thanks so much for having me.